All right, we're at 7 Aquinas in Winchester. Here we have existing forced head air. This is a 2.5 ton coil on this furnace here. I believe it's a B cabinet here. Let me check because that's not 21. Yeah, 14.5. So it's actually that's a cabinet. So let's see what we get in here. 2.5 ton on the AC. This is a TM9V 040A. Couldn't keep up. Looks like secondary heat exchanger failure, as far as the tech was able to point out with you. Looking at two options, either going, or a couple options here, going back in furnace only. One, to do a complete York system, and then two would be Bosch hybrid. But we would need to do a dual fuel zone control here, unless this is one HZ311. I gotta check on that. We have 2 zone dampers here, one on this trunk and one on this one here. Let me grab measurements on that. Let's see if this one just says it for me here. 8x16. Motor on the bottom. The motor is on the 16 side. And this one, I have no label on. Let's see what we got here. I have, this one is an 8x16 as well, motor on the 8 side. So 8 side motor and 16 side motor, although realistically you could do 2 bottom mounts on that if it was easier. Right now the return on this, so there's a finish room on the other side here. We have that, and then we have one pulling off here. That is 7-inch, and I don't know if this goes up to another return duct above us, or if we need more return air for this system. We can probably stab another one off a wall here if needed. The actual return trunk, the drop here is 8x16. About 8x16 going on here. Refrigeration line runs over and out. Condensers are on the back side of the house here, right on the corner, and our flue piping goes into a finished area, so we can, we might have to just run CPVC to the 90 here, or make a coupling, whatever we got to do there. These are labeled here, what we got going on. Not that you can tell from the furnace anyway. On the condenser side of things, looks like we have AC is 1 and 3, attic AC is 5 and 7, so it's a 2-pole 20 that condenser is on right now. We'll take a look on the outside just to double check on what we got here. Like I said, it is a 2.5 ton coil that's feeding this right now, so put together a couple options here and see what we got.